there, this is Lucy with WTI. Looking for a nice bohemian duvet cover? Look no more. This duvet cover by Bedsure goes great with my boho look in my bedroom. The color terracotta, and I fell in love with the embroidery. It looks delicate and the geometric design goes beautiful with my gold geometric wallpaper. I can't stop looking at it. It's so beautiful. It looks relaxing, inviting. And here, my pillow shams. These are my favorite part too, because after coming out of the dryer, I like them to be wrinkle-free. And with most other brands, I kind of always had my pillows wiggling in there, but these fit perfectly on my pillows. And the zipper. More importantly, I can't stand buttons, but zippers I can do, and it easily glides back and forth, so it never gets stuck. It also comes with these ties if you want your comforter to stay put and not wiggle around in a duvet cover. Perfect for those who have that option. So guys, you're gonna love to sleep on this duvet cover, and your dogs are gonna love it too. And that's our point of view.